Video film?
Yeah. Hey, Huggy Bear.
Alright. Now look at me first. Today we are giving the kittens their first taste of meat. So far, a couple of them have had a piece, so we're going to try and get the other ones to eat too. They got a real treat because it's ham.
Huggy Bear.
Here, look. Ow! Oh, I'm trying to bit my finger off. Hey, come here, come here, let your brother or your sister have a piece. She's eating too. Oh, can I have my hand back? Ow! He's biting my hand. Ow! I've gotten all of them to eat meat except for Lucky. Huggy Bear is even trying to get some. He ate some earlier, but there he goes. Ow!
Lucky hasn't had it yet.
No, she's not eating it yet.
Oh, dang it, cat!
Move, Huggy Bear. She's like, I want a piece. Stay back. Let your sister have some. There she goes.
Well, kinda.
Sorry, that was her brother's trying. Ow! Her brother's trying to steal. Oh! We're fighting over it. Sylvia, Lucky finally took a piece of ham. And it was in her mouth, and her brother tried to take it from her. She bitch slapped her brother. They're getting mean over this. I think I got holes in my finger. They're all eating the ham, every one of them. Hey! Hey! Jeez! You hear them? I think we're done with introducing them to meat for the moment.
I thought I stepped on one of them.
That's what I thought too. Lucky fucking like bit its brother. Holy damn! Alright, now we're gonna try something a little less meaty. We're going to try the
Dude, it like jumped at the camera.
cereal thing. Keep filming, we're gonna try and
Hey, what's up?
cat food and good milk.
Lucky.
Watch out, come around. I got a bowl full of liquid and cat food here. Look guys, look. No, you can sit down. Look over here. See? I know you should know what that is. Because you went after that the other day. There she goes. She's like, ooh, food. There they go. Yeah, good.
Hey, Huggy Bear.
Lucky stuck her paw in it. She's like, oh. Next step after this is solid cat food. It's harder getting them weaned like this because they're just, they're just 6 weeks old now, and the mom's not pushing them away. Not to mention they're outside. I mean, they're inside, but they're outside cats because this is Huggy Bear's not a house cat. She's an outside cat. She just had them on the back porch because of the hole in the door. They're eating the milk and cat food. Yeah. I did.
Look at it. It's like string.
Man, trying to bite my fucking finger
That one
off.
was like going after the string and it literally lunged at the camera.
Fucking finger carnivorous.
What?
I got it. Hi guys, you guys are getting so freaking huge.
Yo.
You're about ready to go. I don't know what we're going to do with you guys because you guys are getting out of this tub now and you're not quite big enough to be roaming around the backyard by yourselves. Hey. Oh, got the hissing. Hey. You gonna eat any too? Because again, I don't know about this. Okay guys, enjoy your meal. Bye Lucky. Hey girl.
Make that baby better.
Oh, don't get so close
That's
with
a good
that.
one. It's trying to wiggle from her. She's washing it.
You gonna hiss at us again?
The baby. The baby.
You have to hiss.
The baby.
It's like shrinking back into my hand. Where are you going? Yeah, Come back in here. Here you go. I know you're probably missing that, so you're hungry. Go eat.
Raven.
Clean that one. I don't know. We're just at the check it in a couple hours. See if it's getting any better or any worse or staying the same.
I don't want to bury another kitten.
Yeah, I
I
know.
buried too many kittens. This window needs cleaned. Again, anybody don't see us getting them on tape.
I like how cats walk. I like how cats walk.
Watch them scatter. Scatter, scatter, scatter. Hey, girl. Hey, Mama. How you guys doing? Oh, don't meow at me. I'll meow back at you. Yeah. You guys need to make sure you stay in here. You guys keep leaving the back porch and it gets us in trouble. Yeah, the kittens need to get on the back porch until they're big enough to go outside. Especially you, Lucky. Okay, goodbye, guys.